right there. Dude, what an amazingly beautiful day. I think I layered up just perfectly. All you really need is your Rolling Thunder Cycles t-shirt and your first MFG Raider. Just enough wind to be cool and at the same time being protected if anything crazy happens. And yeah, that's what's up. And here we are, Rolling Thunder Cycles. Guess the road wasn't closed. Looks like we got a nice red brand new street bob over here. Alright. Rocking that big sissy bar. And here we are. Let's go say what's up to Gerard. Hey! Yeah, I brought some friends this time. You alright?
Your exhaust is so loud.
I know, I'm sorry, buddy.
Insane.
I'm sorry. You still good? Yeah, dude, I said in the video, I'm like, congratulations on mid controls. Yeah, dude. We still good?
Yeah, I'm still
Getting that wind therapy? Jay. FXFB NYC in the building. Still good? Alright. Let's go check it out. Back home at Rolling Thunder. See you in a little bit. We got Smiley Steve. He's gonna take the lead on this ride that we're going to now. We're gonna be heading out east. Let's get it. We got Jay. We got Lady Jay in the building. We got Matt in the building. We got Matt's old man in the building. Of course, we got the Pro Rider in the building. Then we got Chow in the building. And we are good, man. So we hung out there, snapped a couple pics, hung out with some folks. A lot of people asking us questions about the Fab 28 pipes. Seems to be the hot topic of discussion. And yeah. And this road is closed, so that means we are going to be looping around. And that's what they meant before when they said the road was closed. Now that's a crew right there. Shout out to the Heritage, man. Gotta love the Heritage. If you've seen my videos, you know my dad used to actually ride a Heritage, so. And shout out to Smiley Steve. Leading like a pro. So yeah, now that we've done our little Rolling Thunder run, said what's up, the plan now is we're gonna head out east. We're gonna meet up with the Scorpion. You know, he just did some serious engine work to his bike, if you've been keeping up with my videos. So we're gonna check him out. So we're gonna go connect with him. After that, we're gonna visit the ancient coffee house known as Starbucks. Get some cold brew. But looking in the rear view, it looks like we have everyone, which is good. So, Smiley, you're doing a great job. But as always, thank you for watching. Shout out to all my homies that are with us right now. Gonna enjoy the rest of the day with this crazy crew of bikers we got with us. Everything from an FXDLS to a Softail Heritage, man. Gotta love it. Again, shout out to Rolling Thunder. Check them out if you haven't already. Great shop. And yeah, if you want to see what else we get into today, definitely check out whatever video comes after this. I'll probably pick it back up when we start heading out east, when we link up with the Scorpion. But as always, thank you for watching. Stay safe out there and stay low. And BK Low is out.